Today we have the EndoKing Eye Cure Light Cure Unit. Let us now unbox and see what is all included in the packaging. First up, we have the instruction manual, then the light cure unit, front light guide rod followed by silicone base, power adapter, shading sheet and 20 disposable isolation sleeves. We will now assemble the EndoKing Light Cure unit. First, attach the front light guide rod with the main unit, then attach the protective shield to the light guide tip and open the charging port to charge the unit. How to use the EndoKing Light Cure unit. Activate by pressing the on switch. P1, as shown on the display screen, is the standard mode which gives output light intensity of about 800 to 1000 milliwatt per centimeter square. Press time mode button to select the time required for curing. The time settings for P1 are 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds and 20 seconds, and the light helps in curing the material continuously for the set time. Hold time mode button for 2 seconds to change the mode. P2 is the next mode, also called as the pulse mode for curing, with output light intensity of about 800 to 1000 milliwatt per centimeter square. The time settings for P2 are 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds and 20 seconds, same as for P1, and the light is emitted here in pulsating way for setting the material. P3 is the progressive mode of curing with intensity of about 1200 to 1400 milliwatt per centimeter square. The time settings for P3 are only 1 second and 3 seconds, and the light output is strong enough to set the material in such a short span easily. Press the power button to turn the light on. Press and hold the power button to turn the light cure unit off. That's all for today. For more such videos, like, subscribe and follow Dental Cart.